inputs and outputs in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will explore the use of the print function in detail. In the Python programming language standard library, there are many built-in functions that you can use for various purposes. One of these functions is the print function. The use of the print function is that it takes any type of data and prints it on the screen or on any output device. We are gonna take a simple example to show how to use the print function to print a string data type on the screen. As shown in this example, the function called print contains a string data type. This string is output to the screen inside double quotes. As you can see, this type was printed on the screen after this program was executed. Let's take another example and using the value of a variable with the print function. Here in this example, we just created a variable called x and we assigned 10 as an integer value for this x variable. Then the print function has two terms here. The first one is a string data type and it is the value of x is inside double quotes, or you can also use single quotes instead. This string data type will be printed before the value of the x variable on the screen. We just separated them using comma inside the parentheses of the print function. And the output should be looks like that. The value of x is 10. Also, there are built-in parameters for this print function. And let me show you how to use them in action with the print function. You can see now the two parameters for the print function, or the two arguments. The first one is the separator and the second one is the end. The sep parameter or the separator parameter is used between the values. And when not using the separator parameter, it defaults into a space character. Then as you can see, after all values are printed, the end parameter is printed, and it defaults into a new line also. When not using the end parameter with the print function, it defaults into a new line. That's it simply. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.